Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do my look number 2 for my Saharan by Juvias Place palette. So this is a continuation for my one palette look series in which I give you at least 2 to 3 looks of any palette that I purchase, so you guys get a better understanding of how you can maximize the use of that particular palette. Then you can make your own choices whether you want to purchase that palette or not. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but in my head it did. So that's why I came up with a series of one palette looks. So there are 3 looks. One is a little adventurous look, one is a little everyday kind of a look that anybody can wear, and third would be somewhere in between. So that is what I had thought when I created this series. Okay, coming back to the point, so this is my look number 2 for the Saharan by Juvias palette. I hope you like this look and want to know how I created this look. Then you know what to do. You gotta stay here, keep on watching. Before that, if you guys are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell down below so you guys are informed when I upload next. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just get started. Hey guys, so now I am taking my Saharan by Juvias Place palette, and I'm taking the shade Katsina and putting it all over my crease. As you can see, I'm trying to build the color up and not just displacing it everywhere. First I'm building the color up, and then I'm using my windshield wiper motions to seamlessly blend it. In my opinion, Katsina is a perfect transition shade, and then I'm taking the shade Jamila and placing it exactly on my crease and blending it all out with the help of a fluffy blending brush, as you can see right here. So I have built up the pigmentation to this level, and I'm supremely happy with it. And I'm taking the same shade, and on a crease brush I am just kind of putting it on my lower lash line to make some continuity, and then I'm taking the shade Shad and placing it on the outer V of my eye, and also dragging it on my lower lash line and blending it all out seamlessly into each other. And there it is. So I have kind of blended it all out, blown it all out, and then I'm taking this beautiful shade called Zoya and putting it on my lid. And honestly, I am loving it. I am loving how beautifully simple it looks, and I'm making sure everything is seamlessly blended. The glitter and the matte are all seamlessly blended. Next up, I'm taking my Colobar Ultimate Pencil or something like that it's called. For any information on all the products used, please see the information bar. And yeah, I'm taking my time drawing this beautiful razor sharp wing because that's something I like. Yeah, so one is done, and boom, we are all ready to roll. So guys, this is how I have achieved this beautiful look with this beautiful Saharan by Juvias palette. Honestly, I am kind of digging this look as well. Well, recently I have been saying this a lot, but honestly, palettes from Juvias Place are bomb. I just cannot wait to get my hands on other palettes because both the palettes that I have used are amazing. The pigmentation, the color payoff, everything about these palettes are amazing. This is a universal look which can go with any outfit, any function, any time of the day, any skin tone. Basically anybody, anywhere, anytime can wear this look. Very universal. I'm supremely happy that I came up with this look. I hope you had fun watching this video because honestly I had a lot of fun creating this look. See you in my next video guys. Thanks for watching.